Okay, so we're gonna start in this place called the Three Lanterns District, and then we're gonna walk probably down, maybe down that street, and we'll just kind of see what we can see. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we are at the Three Lanterns District. You can kind of see like this is basically a circle. All these buildings have a little bit of a concave, like a circular pattern. So you can kind of see all these buildings. They all have the same pattern. I don't know how well you can see it at nighttime. Some of them have some pretty cool apartments too, like that has like these amazing balconies. Okay, so we're going to walk down this way. And down that way is a marketplace. And this place is south, I guess. So anyways, we'll walk and check everything out. So let's just see here. Pretty cool shop right there. Very beautiful at nighttime. Nice and photogenic. It's really cool. And then over here is something called Indo Market. Southeast Asia food. Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines, Malaysia. And we're just gonna walk up the street, see what we can see. Jewelry shop, open late at night. Oh, pawn shop. It actually says pawn shop. So I guess they buy and sell jewelry there. So right now it's about 10:30 at night. It's also like Hungry Ghost Festival time. So you're gonna see some shrines. I can see one up there, up ahead. So we're gonna walk right towards that. And then we'll just kind of see what else we can see around here. It's a little bit nighttime, so let's just kind of poke around this way. I just want to capture something that's interesting for you guys. So here's it's like a Shanghai restaurant because you got a picture of Shanghai there. I don't know what. Okay. Little alleys. Okay, so let's just keep on checking stuff out. And then this is kind of a cool little space too. I like it because of the apartments. Just kind of see, so we kind of have, this is the road we came down. This is a Bank of China. And then let's just kind of see what else you can see. So we can run across here. For people that are wondering where we are, you can check it out on this sign right here. We're not really going very linear, so we're not really following any specific road. Let me just see if I can get across that street. I want to get over here where they're burning the you can see it right there. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So let's just kind of walk by it real quick. So they have a pretty nice fire going right there. So yeah, looks pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on exploring. Actually, should we go? That's kind of cool. Definitely. Let's go up this way. Oh, okay. And then we're gonna walk towards this maximum here. This is how parallel parking. This is Comita's restaurant, so we're gonna try to get through here. And they have all these little tables that you can sit and drink and eat. And you can wash the dishes out here as well. And let's come on out over. Let's just see. Where else can we walk to? There's Maxim's. Let's just kind of cross the street a little bit if we can. Okay, let's see. And we also have some other stuff in here. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Alley. Huadu Lucao. Okay, let me just, might end this in a minute. I like that. There's something kind of cool up there too. You can see this little spot up there. I think I want to go over by this bigger shrine. Pretty cool streets though. So they have a shrine here. Let's just kind of see. Yeah, this one is beautiful. So you got the little offerings here. And yes, you got it here too. So. So okay, we're gonna keep on exploring. I don't want to interfere too much. Okay, so let's keep on meandering. It's like a pretty good restaurant right there. They got all kinds of good food in there. Okay, let's keep on meandering. So yeah, I kind of call this like the Manhattan-ishness of Macau, or maybe Hong Kong-ish a little bit, but it's completely Macau though too. So, but the only reason that I would say it like that is because there's so much density here. So everywhere you just have these tall buildings, and just a lot of well, Macau's one of the densest cities in the world. So, and you can definitely feel it when you're in this part of Macau. Common room. Let's just see. What else should we check out? Let's just check out. Let's just come around like this. More offerings. So, but it's kind of cool. I think it's another side of Macau that people don't always see. I don't live in this area anymore. I used to live here a long time ago. Let's just see. So I guess we'll follow this up a little bit. But maybe it's kind of interesting. Has a different feel at night and day, but I wanted to come out at nighttime because they have all the offerings right now because of the Hungry Ghost month. So there's some more offerings right there too. And so it looks like a garbage bag, but sometimes they'll put all their paper stuff that they're gonna burn for incense. They'll put it in there. Okay. Travessa de Martinho, Montenegro. Of course, we got ATMs everywhere too, just in case you didn't know that they had those as well. But they do. I like this building. It's kind of a cool building right here, this yellow building. So, okay. I guess we're gonna probably do another video in a minute. But I think we're gonna end it. I don't know if you can see that building or not, but it's kind of cool. That yellow building. Okay, so I think we're gonna end it. We're just gonna kind of capture the four corners a little bit. That four corners. And then this one as well. And then we're gonna end it with this as our ending spot.